In this video, we're going to look at the differences between business writing and academic writing. We have identified three main differences between business writing and academic writing. They are tone and language, structure, and writing process. During this video, we will examine the differences between the two writing styles in these three areas. First up is tone and language. Tone is the general character or attitude of the writing. A lot of the tone will be decided by the audience that the piece is aimed at. Business writing is read by a wide variety of people. This could be your colleagues, industry professionals, shareholders, customers. The audience will likely have different levels of knowledge about the subject at hand. The academic writing you submit as part of your course will be read by subject specialists within academia. Generally, this will be the person marking your work and potentially an external reviewer, but still within the academic sphere. Other types of academic writing, such as journal articles, will be read by people in the field, students, and other academics. Tone can also be affected by the language, formality, content, and purpose of the writing. In the case of business writing, trade journals, magazines, such as Harvard Business Review, have a more casual conversational tone. These are designed to help professionals keep up with news, trends, and practical information. These sources tend to be written by professionals and practitioners working within the industry. This type of content is designed to be easy to read and digestible, and the language chosen is to reflect this. Academic language aims to be formal, objective, and impersonal. Examples of academic writing are journal articles, academic books, and other types of research publication. It focuses on facts rather than the writer's opinions. Unless the work is intended to be a reflective piece, it should be written in third-person perspective. Just because academic writing is formal does not mean it should be overly complicated. Your work should be clear, concise, and understandable, and it is not necessary to try and make a topic sound more complex than it is. However, you should avoid jargon or slang. Sentences are longer than in business writing in order to unpack and discuss a topic. The next area that academic and business writing differ is in structure. The most common academic writing structure has three sections. These are the introduction. The introduction aims to set the scene for your reader by introducing the topic and surrounding context and how you aim to explore this. The main body. As suggested by the name, the main body contains the bulk of your discussion. What it is composed of will be dependent on the type of project that you're working on. The conclusion. The conclusion wraps up your discussion and relates it back to your title or question. Due to the variety of audience and purpose, business writing has no such fixed structure. Emails, reports, marketing materials, all will have a differing structure and length. Sentences are shorter and you may see the use of bullet points. There are different types of business writing that will be more formal and have a structure, but this will be dependent on the aim of the piece and what it is trying to communicate. Good examples of this include documents for external reporting and proposals. The last area in which these styles differ is the process of writing the document. Business writing is often collaborative. Research may be conducted by a team, written by another person, and then edited by another team before publication. It relies on the expertise of many. Referencing and citation practices will depend on the publication or company. Unless it is a designated group project, academic writing is a solo endeavour. Your work must be your own, and tools such as generative AI cannot be used to produce text for your work. Referencing and citation are necessary and are standardized. In CJBS, the style you will need to use is Harvard. If you've got any questions about how to write academically, contact the library team. We'll be happy to point you towards more helpful resources.